This game is called Sticky Sounds. Your child will add a consonant sound at the beginning of a two-sound word to make a brand new word. This activity focuses on adding a sound to the beginning of a two-sound word to make a three-sound word with a consonant blend. Go to our website to print out the work mat, word list, and sound counting markers. You only need 3 of the markers for this activity. Start out by explaining the concept of the game to your child like this. You've already learned how to count the sounds in a word and put those sounds in the order that you hear them. Now you're going to listen carefully to the beginning sounds of a word. I'm going to show you how to stick another sound onto the beginning of a word and say the sounds fast to make a longer word. Put the sound counting markers and the work mat in front of the child. She will use these to count the sounds in the words of this activity. Remind her that we read words from left to right. Have her use her index finger to trace the arrow from the green circle to the red triangle. Use these markers to show me the sounds in the word I say. Listen carefully. Low. The man spoke in a low voice. Say low. What word?
Low.
Yes. Say the sounds in low and put a marker on the mat for each sound you say. Start here.
O. O.
Good job. You placed the 2 sound markers in just the right order to make the word low. Now tell the child how to count the sounds in a second word by putting sound counting markers on the second arrow of the work mat. I'm going to say another word, and you're going to count the sounds again. If you hear a sound that you already used to make the word low, move that sound marker down from the top line to the bottom line. What was the first word?
Low.
Yes. Here's my new word. Listen. Slow. Snails are very slow animals. What word?
Slow.
Do you hear a new sound in slow that you don't hear in low? Listen. Slow. Low. Again. Slow. Low.
Yes, there's a s sound.
Is it at the beginning or the end of slow? Say slow and tell me where you hear the s sound.
Slow, at the beginning.
Put a marker for s at the start of the bottom line on the mat. Now say all the sounds in slow and put them in order on the mat. Remember, if you need a sound marker that you already used for a sound in low, pick up the marker from the top line and move it to the right place on the bottom line.
Oh, that was in low, so I put this marker here.
Okay, what sound markers do you have so far for slow?
This one is s, and this one is l.
What sound do you still need to make slow? Say the word and figure it out.
S, l, o. I need O.
Did you use the O marker for one of the sounds in low?
Yes, so I moved that marker down here.
Good. Now say the sounds in your new word quickly. See if 2 of the sounds stick together when you say the word fast.
Slow, slow. Yes.
Which 2 sounds stick together when you say slow? Sl-o.
S and l.
Explain that when s and l are next to each other in a word, they are sticky sounds. They are almost glued together. They are so sticky. Once your child has successfully completed one round of the game, have her remove the sound counting markers from the mat before starting the next round. One session of this game should last 10 to 15 minutes, with you and your child covering 6 to 8 word pairs. Repeat these word pairs several times in the session in random order to give her lots of practice. Be sure she has a good understanding of the use of two sticky consonant sounds to make a new word. And that's how we play sticky sounds.